In this video, we're going to calculate an FFT signal to show you how to generate a complete new signal with a calculation function. Click the new menu and choose Signal Calculations to see a choice of different calculations. Another way to reach this menu is to make a click with the right mouse button onto one or more channels that you wish to calculate with. Choose Calculation and then choose Signal Calculations. In addition to the FFT calculation, you will also find other calculations here, such as histogram or FIR filter. But for our example, click FFT. The FFT dialog appears. On the left side of this dialog, you can see the selected source channels. You can adjust the selection by clicking the Select Channels button. In the upper area, on the right side, you could specify whether the calculated FFT signals should be generated in the cache memory or saved directly to the project folder on the hard disk. Underneath, you'll find typical settings for an FFT calculation, such as the definition of the window function or the scaling of the y-axis. In this example, we just use the default settings. In the lower area of the dialog, you specify if the calculation should be done over the entire signal or only part of the signal. In this case, we choose the entire signal. The two checkboxes at the bottom are also important. If the calculation should be executed every time the source signal changes, the checkbox Keep Calculation in the Loop must be activated. If the newly created FFT signal should be shown immediately in a display window, the checkbox Add to Displays should be activated. But for this example, we deactivate this function first. Now, press the Start button. The new FFT signals will appear in the Input Channels dialog. To view an FFT signal, you need to open a special FFT display. There are two ways to do this. You could press the FFT display button in the toolbar, or you could click on the new menu and choose FFT display from the pull-down menu. Now drag the FFT signals from the Input Channels dialog into the FFT display, and you'll get a full view of the calculated FFT signal. Let's close the special FFT display by clicking the Close button in the upper area of the screen. Now open the FFT dialog again. This time, please activate the checkbox Add to Displays. If you now press the Start button, the new FFT signals are opened in a new FFT display automatically or added to all available FFT displays which are already open.